This camcorder is working, but has issues. I have it on camera, I have the tape in it, hit the record button, also have it plugged up to this monitor. We should be seeing stuff over here. Yeah, the lens cap's not on. So the tape is moving. I don't know what's going on. I don't know how to work any of the focus buttons or anything. So let's stop recording. When I did that, the TV glitched a couple times. So the tape stopped. I hit the stop button just to be safe. Put it on play. And hit the play button. Alright. So that's an existing recording on this tape. I don't know what to do over here. I'm going to hit the tracking button one direction. Went a little too far. So, I don't know. I'm going to say works needs work. It may play or not your tapes. I just don't, I can't guarantee it. I'm not getting a good output. But you get I'm going to try charging this battery. It probably won't hold the charge, but I'm going to put the battery on. You can't charge and run the camera at the same time. You have to do one or the other. So I'm going to report whether or not the battery will hold a charge after I charge it for a few minutes. So there it is. Works needs work.